Excuse me, sir.
What now, Rosso?
How'd you like to try some Steven Seagal Lightning Bolt?
I don't know. It says warning may result in Steven Seagalness.
I wouldn't worry about that. Steady on, not too much. What does it taste like?
It tastes like ninja. The drink had changed me. I was feeling more Steven Seagal-y. I felt the overwhelming desire to kick ass. No one fucks with you when you're Steven Seagal. Not even old nanas.
Be careful.
See? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've never done it this fast before.
Salvos, skip to the salvos. Salvos.
Don't ever eyeball me. Oh, my God. It's a mirror sequence. Shut up, Merrick. You're Steven Seagal now. I want you to go and kick the shit out of a trolley. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, fuck, it's a corpse.
Good morning, shoppers. Just an announcement to let you know we've got a special in the food court today. Steven Seagal will be killing people, free of charge.
How did the meeting go?
So, if you're on deadly ground, under siege or marked for death, start a fire down below and get Steven Seagal's Lightning Bolt energy drink. For people who are hard to kill.
Ninja-riffic. This product is not safe for children, but neither is life. Your choice!